So, this is what Asus sent today. Nope. I can't get technical difficulties. Nice. Some stickers. Nice. Some merch. Interesting ProArt. Oh, it's heavy. Let me just. So, this is the host, the actual hosts, like babies. A ProArt, Asus ProArt Z890 Creator Wi-Fi. I don't know what it does. We'll put it down gently. It's stuck. It's very tight. Okay. We're gonna zoinks it. Okay. So this. I don't know how to pronounce it. 360. Very nice. Very nice. Let's put it down. You'll get more info later date. Wait, there's more. An empty box for packaging. Okay. More from your true host.